Hello, my name is Cindy, and welcome to Zen Within Meditations, where I create Reiki-infused meditations for everyone, whether you're a first responder, teacher, healthcare provider, or simply seeking peace and balance. Today, this meditation is specifically designed to support healthcare providers in finding calm and renewal. In your role as a healthcare provider, you give so much of yourself to others. This meditation is here to remind you that while your compassion is infinite, it's important to care for yourself with that same kindness. This session is infused with Reiki energy to help you stay grounded and restore your inner balance. Reiki supports your emotional and physical well-being, creating space for compassion without burnout. Let's begin. Take a moment to find a comfortable seat or lie down. Close your eyes if you feel safe to do so, and place your hands over your heart, feeling the gentle rise and fall of your breath. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Let's do that again. Inhale deeply. And exhale completely. With every exhale, feel yourself settling more fully into this moment, leaving behind the busyness of the day. As you continue to breathe, let your shoulders soften. Allow any tension in your face or jaw to melt away. Feel the weight of your body grounding you, supported by the surface beneath you. Now, bring to mind a patient or situation that required your compassion today. Perhaps it was a moment that felt fulfilling, or maybe one that was particularly challenging. Notice how it feels in your body as you reflect on this moment. You may feel warmth, tightness, or even a sense of heaviness. Whatever you feel is okay. Simply observe it without judgment. As you sit with these feelings, visualize a soft glowing light forming in your chest. This is your heart center, the source of your compassion and care. With every inhale, see this light becoming brighter and warmer, radiating love and kindness throughout your body. This light is infused with Reiki energy, supporting and replenishing you as you give to others. Imagine it soothing any heaviness or fatigue, replacing it with a sense of peace and renewal. Now, let this glowing light begin to expand. With each breath, feel it moving outward, first to your shoulders and arms, then to your entire torso, and finally to your legs and feet. As this light fills your body, repeat silently to yourself, I am compassionate. I am cared for. Let's say it again together. I am compassionate, and I am cared for. Now, imagine this light growing even brighter, surrounding you in a cocoon of warmth and strength. This cocoon is your sanctuary, a place where you can rest and recharge. Feel this light wrapping around your body, protecting and grounding you. In this space, your compassion flows freely, not as a drain on your energy, but as a natural extension of the care you give yourself. From this cocoon of light, imagine sending a small beam outward to someone who may need it. A patient, a colleague, or even yourself. Visualize this beam of compassion carrying strength, peace, and healing. Know that even this simple act of intention is enough to make a difference. Now, draw that beam back into your own heart where the light continues to glow brightly. Let yourself rest in this moment, feeling the balance of giving and receiving. Let's take a few breaths together, focusing on this exchange. Inhale, receiving compassion. And exhale, sharing it freely. As you rest here, allow the Reiki energy to flow through you naturally, restoring your balance and reinforcing your sense of purpose. Now, take a deep breath in and exhale fully. Gently begin to wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing your awareness back to your body. When you're ready, open your eyes and return to the room, feeling grounded and renewed. Remember, your compassion is a gift, both to others and to yourself. By caring for your own well-being, you ensure that your light can continue to shine brightly. Did this meditation help you to reconnect with your compassion? If so, subscribe to this channel for more Reiki-infused meditations created with you in mind. Don't forget to share this session with someone who could use a gentle reminder of their own strength. Please take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next session.